Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What factors affect the price of our instant dry sublimation paper roll? Some of our customers asked us why the price of your paper is constantly changing. As you know, we are a factory of sublimation transfer paper. Our primary raw material is pulp. The price of pulp is always floating. And we will also face a change of exchange rate. When we accept payment by foreign currencies such as US dollar, no matter the price rises or falls, we will inform our customers at the first time. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.